Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about period of domestication and animal farming. So with this topic we are starting that from when the man has started domesticating the animal. So as man became civilized, he started using the animals for his various needs. This is how it went. The dogs he has tamed and he domesticated from 13,000 to 7,000 BC. Sheeps 11,000 to 9,000 BC, pigs 9,000 BC and goat 8,000 BC. So to fulfill the need of routine life, they have started domesticated the animals and they have seen that there are tremendous and there are various advantages when they are living with domesticated animal. Now let us get into the detail and see that how this domestication of animals are helping us in our routine life, in our farming and in our crop production. Hello students, do you want to excel in maths and science? We have some don't memorize courses for you which can help you in preparation of maths and science. I have given the links in the description and you can avail 90% of the discount from all these courses. And if you will use this coupon code, you will get extra 10% discount on all the courses. Don't memorize courses are part of Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. So what are the reasons why we domesticate animals? So only those animals we are domesticating which are helpful to us. For example, buffalo and cows we are domesticating for the milk, hens, goats, sheep we are domesticating for the meat, ox, horse, bulls, donkeys we are domesticating for the agriculture need and for the transportation. Now in our country, farmer believes that the animal husbandry. Now animal husbandry means the domestication of the animal. We are living with the animal, we will fulfill their need. In turn, animals are giving us some of the important product like milk, meat, and they will help us in agriculture and transportation. So, animal husbandry is a part and parcel of agriculture. That means if you have a farm, if you are a farmer, and if you have an agriculture practice, then animal husbandry is a very important part of that. It's a part and parcel of that. That means agriculture practice is not completed without the domestication of animal or without the animal husbandry. Now we are getting into the detail and understand that why animal husbandry or cattle rearing is so important when you are following farming practice or agriculture practice. Now why animal husbandry is important for agriculture and is a part and parcel of agriculture. So these are some of the advantages that cow and buffaloes when we are domesticating, that dung are used as a manure. Then chicken droppings can be used as a manure. Milk, eggs can be used as a separate income. There may have bad season, bad rain, and there are some of the chances when entire crop can be wasted and entire crop can be failed. In that time, this side income will help you to survive and to go ahead with this separate income. The wastage of agriculture can be fed to animals. Ox, donkeys can work and fulfill the need of costly machines. So if you cannot afford the costly machine, then these animals can suffice the need, and these are some of the advantages which farmers will get only and only if they will rear the cattle, if they will domesticate some of the animals. Till now we were discussing that how cattle are important to us, but it is at the same time it is also important that we should take care of them. So shades should be clean wherever we are keeping the cattle. There should be proper shade so we can protect them from the rainy season and hot sun. So those shade should be clean. Every day dung, urine and fodder should be scraped out from that shade. Care should be taken to prevent the diseases like lice on the body, foot and mouth disease and worm infection. Cattle are also a live species. They will also get attacked from viral infection, bacterial infection. So we have to take proper care that they will not get infection from all these parasites. Now cattle should be protected from viral, bacterial and mosquito bite diseases. Some of the viral infections and bacterial infections, vaccines are also available in the market. We have to give them and we have to protect them and we have to take a very good care of them. Now why it is important that we have to take care of them? Because first, when we are buying a cattle, when we are keeping a cattle, we are investing in them so that we can utilize them into agriculture, into our farming practice. But when they will become ill and if they will die, then in turn it will not serve a purpose and it will be a loss for us. And it will be also beneficial in milk production. When cows and buffaloes are healthy, they will give a best quality of the milk and the quantity of milk will also increase. So all these reasons are directly affecting, all these cares are directly affecting to their milk production. Now coming to milk production. When we are rearing a cattle and we are having a cattle like cows and buffalo, then our main purpose and aim to rearing those cattle are for the milk production. So traditional species what we are seeing around us are giving 2 to 5 liter of milk. Then Mura species up to 8 liter milk she can give. Other Indian varieties like Haryana, Jafrabadi and Nagpuri cows are giving good amount of milk. But if we are talking about international breeds like Jersey and Holstein, then they are giving up to 25 liters of milk. So we can see the difference in these two, that international breeds are more capable to give more quantity of milk. That's why we have developed a crossbreed, and those cows are from the crossbreeding of this international breed and our local species. So they are giving good amount of milk compared to the local species. Now we are going to talk about the milk production in our countries and why the milk production in our countries is less compared to other countries. Now let us discuss some of the important points of milk production in India. So out of total milk produced, the 60% of milk we are utilizing in making cheese, khova and butter. Now what is the process, that how our milk production and the milk will reach till us, what process it will follow. So local collection of milk will happen, that the people who are rearing the cattle, they will collect the milk and come to the center. They are giving this milk at center. Center will collect this milk and this center will send this milk to dairy. Now at dairy, they will pasteurize the milk, they will pack and then they will transport it to the towns and cities. So this is the process and they are following this in India in each and every. Now seasons also will affect production of the milk. In specific winter, the milk production will be high. Now expenses on the cattle we can divide into two categories. When we are rearing a cattle, when we are upbringing them, then we have to spend some of the amount on them, and much of the amount, like 60 to 70% of the amount will go into feeding them. Now where they are utilizing this energy, that they are utilizing this energy in maintaining themselves healthy and for the reproduction. If we are giving them hay, green and dry grass, oilseed as a fodder, then they will produce more milk. So if we are giving them a healthy food, then they will produce more milk. In turn, it will help us to earn more. So hope you have understood the concept well. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing and don't forget to subscribe us.